7A Microscopes revision. So this is a microscope. At the top we have the eyepiece lens. This is usually a x10 magnification. Working down the microscope we have the objective lenses, which are here, and you can turn these around. We would usually always start on the lowest power objective lens, so you turn it to the smallest one. Just below the objective lenses we have the stage, which is here, and that's where you place your microscope slide with the cells or the specimen on. At the side of the microscope we have the focusing wheels. So this is the large focusing wheel, and then underneath that we have the fine focusing wheel. On the other side of the microscope we have the lights. The first thing you need to do when you get your microscope is you need to switch it on. So you start with the microscope, arm of the microscope, we call this the arm of the microscope, facing you, and you would look down the objective lens here. Okay, so with it on the smallest power objective lens, and your slide on the stage, then you would use the coarse focusing wheel to bring the whole image into focus. You can then use the fine focusing wheel, which is just underneath, to actually make that image very, very sharp. If we want to work out the magnification, then we would take the eyepiece lens, which is x10, and then the objective lens, so in this case I've used x4, and we multiply them together, so the whole magnification of that would be x40. If you want to have a 400 times magnification, just pause the video and remind yourself how you would get a 400 times magnification. Okay, so the 400 times magnification, you'd use a x10 eyepiece lens and you'd change it round to the x40 objective lens, which you can just see there. When you've finished using the microscope, you need to make sure that you've turned the light off.